Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So, I know first of all you guys are probably wondering, dude, why haven't you posted a video? For those of you who are wondering, it's just hectic. It still is. I know I keep saying things and I'm putting my foot in my mouth at this point, but things are hectic and that's kind of why we are looking at the 95 KX125. This bike was posted for sale. I do have somebody coming to possibly trade and throw in some cash. I told him he offered another Honda 50, which you guys know me. I love my minis. This is the Honda 50 with a 125 swap. It was funny because I was actually going to trade for that bike. That was the bike I was going to trade for with cash on top. Someone must have bought the bike from the guy that I was going to trade because I told him I didn't want to take. He wanted to give me the swapped 50 and like $300 or something, and I'm like, nah, I'm not doing that. This kid was like, I got the 50 swapped. I'll give you $600. I say, okay, my friend, now you're talking my language. Nah, but I figured that's a fair deal. I mean, I had a guy say that he'll come by for 2,200, but then again, this guy had no profile picture, no friends, no post, no story, no nothing. Like, it was just, yeah, I got 2,200. He didn't even ask me what was wrong with the bike. He didn't ask if anything was missing, if it was hot. He didn't ask about paperwork, nothing. So I didn't like that, you know? Like, if you want to buy the bike, ask me about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't be all creepy and set up like a fake page and all that. Like, what makes you think I'm going to trust you? So that didn't work out. This kid's coming with his grandpa. He says that he has a little area where he could ride with his friends. Obviously, he wants to ride something bigger, and I feel this is the perfect bike. The fact that he's a young guy coming with his grandpa, I, I mean, how much perfect, how much more perfect could that be? Like, it's a young kid who wants to get on a bigger bike. I'm an adult who has to pay bills, and I have a blast on little bikes. So I mean, it's a no-brainer for me. Um, I honestly, I don't even know how I feel, guys. Like, this is my baby. Like, and I know you guys are probably like, dude, you don't even ride her. Shut up. But she is. She was my baby, you know? I just felt good. It was more of a feeling thing with her, you know. Like I've explained in other videos, it was my first time like not drinking and doing things the right way, and then this came out of it. I was super stoked. I felt like a superhero. I was like, look what I did. Look what I did. I was extremely excited when this thing was built. When I rode this bike for the first time back there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been in this house for a few years, and yeah, so it's like she's got some sentimental value. She's came with me a long way, and now she's gonna be someone else's story. And now I got a little 50 with a 125 motor to tear up the streets with. Like, stop playing. But yeah, we're gonna talk about this whole video posting thing in another video, because this one is about this bike being sold. This kid's gonna come, and he should be here in the next like half hour or so. So he's gonna come. He said he doesn't mind if I film. He's gonna take a look at the bike. I'm gonna take a look at his bike, yada yada yada, and then we're gonna go from there. Hopefully make the deal, and yeah, that's that. And so I'm gonna see what else I could do for this thing. That's probably him calling me right now. So I'm gonna go, and I'll get back to you guys and let you know whether we did the deal or what happened. I'll see you then. Alright guys, so these clips were actually recorded a few days prior when another guy came over to look at the bike. This guy came over, he was pretty much just trying to flip the bike. The price that I had it set at, there wasn't much of a profit margin, and I wasn't really trying to budge, but he didn't ask, so you know, you don't ask, you don't receive. I was looking for someone that was interested in riding the bike or restoring the bike, or like, you know, enjoying it for what it was, which worked out in me and this kid's favor because he got an extremely clean bike. I was able to get a little 50, and he didn't even know that the bike was actually fully cleaned and power washed a few days prior, and then put under a tarp. But when he sees this video, then he's gonna be like, oh wow, you know, just another plus. All right, guys, the guy for the bike just showed up. I'm pretty sure they just picked up the not just picked up, but I'm pretty sure it was picked up from around the corner, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. All right, guys. So, like I said, He was coming with the 50 for the trade for the 125 with 600 cash as to balance the deal. His bike runs mint. He started the bike up for me. I started this bike up for him, explained everything that was going on. We talked on the phone a few times, so we already knew what was going on before it happened. And this was actually the bike that I was saying I seen that was for sale. So it's funny seeing it because I was contemplating it before and then ended up going with it. So it's funny how things work out. But he came by with his do you care to be in? Came by with his grandfather, and yeah, so we're gonna make the deal. I got my neighbors outside watching. I think they're pretty stoked that the bigger bike's leaving and the smaller bike's staying. But yeah, so it's definitely nice meeting people that, you know, come through, they're honest, and, you know, we make deals happen and stuff like that. It doesn't have to be all sketchy, you know, just be a man of your word, and that's all. All right, guys, gonna give my man some stickers. He actually joined Stunt Minis, so for all you guys who haven't joined Stunt Minis yet, definitely join Stunt Minis. But there she goes. She's leaving. Here, there's some stickers.
Thanks.
Those are the Stunt Minis, Legally Illegal, and Seize the Moment.
Tell
Yeah.
your friends about this YouTube.
Yeah, well,
Oh yeah, he actually joined the. I have a group on
Yeah, I
Facebook,
just,
Stunt Minis.
He's
yeah.
got about 5 or 6 friends who ride, so get them all on there.
Yeah. All right, definitely. You guys should start a channel. If you
Yeah,
guys
well,
ride
yeah.
around, I'm serious. It's like $60 for a little action camera, and
Yeah,
that's all you
We
need.
all have like little GoPros and stuff.
All right,
put on our
perfect.
helmets and stuff.
All right, we got to do like a collab video or something.
Yeah.
So, because I didn't really like film riding it. I was like really trying to build it. So now that you're gonna ride it, they could actually see it in action.
Yeah.
All right.
Send you a video.
Yeah.
All right, have a good one.
All right. Take it easy.
My baby's going, guys. I'm gonna sit back and watch her go. This is a sad but like happy moment. I'm gonna cry. All right, you too. Get home safe. My bike is leaving. Not my baby. Come back. Come back. Trade bags. Trade bags.